Hello everyone, welcome back to Geomorphology. Today, let's look into very simple but one of the important concept in geomorphology, that is the latitudes and longitudes. Latitude is an imaginary line which is generally extended from the northern pole of the earth to the south pole and that runs parallel to the equator from east to west direction. There are 180 parallels of latitude drawn on the surface of the earth at 1 degree interval. Equator, which is considered as the 0 degree latitude, is the longest latitude. This equator divides the earth into two equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And based on the latitudinal difference, we can find three major temperature or the thermal zones for the earth. These are the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. The torrid zone region extends from the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Hence, this is also termed as tropical region. The temperate zone is found in two major hemispheres, in the northern and in the southern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, the temperate zone extends from Tropic of Cancer to the Arctic Circle, and in the southern hemisphere, it extends from Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle. This region is often termed as mid-latitude region. The frigid zone or the region where you can find the temperature always below or nearing to 0 degrees Celsius. In the northern hemisphere, the frigid zone extends between Arctic Circle and North Pole, and in the southern hemisphere, you can find it between the Antarctic Circle to the southern pole. Now let's look into longitude. Longitude is the measurement which is found east or the west of prime meridian. The longitude is measured by imaginary lines that run around the earth vertically and meet at the north and the south poles. These divide the earth into eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The longitude is also termed as meridians. Each meridian measures 1 arc degree of longitude. The distance around the earth thus measures 360 degrees of longitude. The meridian which runs through the Greenwich at England is internationally accepted as the 0 degree longitude or prime meridian. The anti-meridian is halfway around the world, which is found at 180 degrees. This is considered as the basis for knowing the international dateline. Half of the world you can find eastern hemisphere, which is measured in degrees east of the prime meridian. The other half is the western hemisphere, which is measured in degrees west of the prime meridian. Now let's look into how or what makes the relation between the longitude and the time. The degrees of longitude are divided into 60 minutes, and each minute of longitude can be further divided into 60 seconds. Thus, the 24-hour that makes the rotation of Earth is being divided into 360 degrees. Hence, 1 hour is hence divided into 15 degree and 1 degree represents 4 minutes. A degree of longitude is about 111 kilometers at its widest. The widest areas of longitude near the equator where the earth is bulging out. Thus, it means that for each 1 degree, the longitude towards the east, 4 minutes are to be added, and each 1 degree longitude towards the west, the 4 minutes are to be subtracted. I hope you have enjoyed the session. For any doubts or clarifications, please post in the comment box or in the Google Classroom. I wish everyone a great day ahead. Thank you all.